yung Future City. Sabay nilayo sa tabi. Wait, let's celebrate. Guys, super generous talaga yan si Fabian Rico, guys. Tara, coffee. Wait. I'll show you something. Wait. Tada! Coffee, di pa naubos. Thank you so much, Fabian. I love you very, very, very much. Nag-blur. And also to Carlos 110 4222122. Charot. Should I put some contour sa nose? Thank you so much, Fabian! Ay, ingay-ingay. Aray mo. Ano pa yung request nyo na kanta, guys? Hi, Cardi. Thank you so much, everybody. Again, we have group chat here for subscriber only, where I send photos and videos. And if you choose to subscribe for E-Deluxe, you have a one-on-one sub only live with me here in TikTok. Just message me after you subscribe. Halik sobrang diin. Okay, wait. Hi, Mesha. And guys, don't forget to heart me here para lagi kayo updated sa aking live. Halik, ano nga yun? BMW song. BMW. Thank you so much again, Fabian Rico. Ulit-ulit. And Carlos. How do I join the group? All you need to do is subscribe me here in TikTok and choose the deluxe one. Ang kate ng nose ko, guys. Load na song po, try. Okay, after nitong, BMW City. Hello, Brown Consons. Sapo, Guys, 200,000 top. Just tap the screen for 2 there. Confident. Okay, after it. Masakata ulo ko. Kahit anong pwesto, sorry, guys. Patingin nga kung dalaga na. Ha? Thank you so much, Faberica, for the beating heart. But, lagay mo, Meg. Giwang-giwang. Huh? Ano giwang-giwang? Hello, Maki. Thank you, Fabian. Love love you very, very much. Lo, yung milk, sa ano ko, sorry. Hello, Bocoralos. Thank you for the rosa. Favorite ko yan. Yung song? Nagtayo ako kanina. Tapos na ako tumayo, guys, diba? Hi, Jelly! Okay, at wala ako ilong. Anong Frocky? What's Frocky, guys? Again, for new followers and for new viewers, we have group chat here for subscriber only. If you are a subscriber na, message me so I can check and add you to the group chat agad. And if you choose to subscribe for the Lux one, you have a one-on-one sub only love with me here in TikTok. Ano? Ilonggo? No, guys. I am from Cebu. Taga Cebu ako. Taga Cebu ko, guys. No, I'm from Liloan. Muslim ka po. Bisaya ra di ay ka. Bisaya yan, taga Cebu. Bisa mo galagot sa Bisaya. Wait lang, guys. Nasaan na yung song? Anong song po? Wait lang. May re-replyan muna.